By now, you should have decided on an Adobe Creative Cloud plan and made a purchase. You've also confirmed that your computer system meets the minimum requirements to run Adobe apps. And you've also downloaded the exercise files. If all three were done, you're ready to install software. Now, if this video is going too fast for you, please pause at any time, rewind to where you need to, and continue when you're all caught up. After you've purchased the plan, Adobe may take you to this welcome page, which gives you all your account information. What I'd like to do is take you through the process from the very beginning. At the upper right-hand corner, you'll see your icon. It may be a profile picture of yours, like it is mine. Go ahead and click on that picture and sign out. You'll be taken to a regular page in the Adobe website. At the upper right is a sign-in button. Please click on it, and then you're on the login screen. At this point, I highly advise you bookmark this page. So pause this video and bookmark this page, please. Hopefully, you've remembered your email address. You also have the option of utilizing your Google, Facebook, or Apple login info. I like to use my own email address for security purposes. Now, after you've pressed the continue button, you'll be taken to the next screen where you'll be prompted to enter your password. The toggle link here that says stay signed in, you can select that if you like, but it's not necessary. So enter your password and press continue. Now you should be on the welcome page. And I'm not sure if this page on this video you're seeing is the same page that you're seeing on your browser, but hopefully it's close enough. So the purpose behind this page is to install the Creative Cloud app, which makes it much easier to install the different applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere, rather than using the website, which will be discussed on the next video. What I'd like to do is click on Creative Cloud on the rightmost icon on this menu of icons. Or on the right side, you should see under Quick Links, Install Creative Cloud. Whichever you choose, you'll be taken to this page. Go ahead and click Download. You may go through a series of pages and prompts. Don't be afraid to click Apply or Accept. Now, you should find the file on your Downloads folder regardless of you using a Mac or Windows. Both systems have a download folder. Just double-click on the installation file and install. Ultimately, you'll find the Creative Cloud icon on your desktop. Feel free to move it to any folder that you like. I'm using a Mac, so you'll see that I've moved the Creative Cloud app along with other Adobe apps into a folder called Adobe. Now, when you click on that app, it will open up a listing of apps that you've already downloaded. You can tell that it's been downloaded because it has an Open button to the right. Yes, you can open other apps through this one. Scrolling down, you'll find apps that have yet to be installed. Let's go ahead and install Photoshop. As you can see, it's being downloaded and eventually it will be installed. Once installed, Photoshop will appear on the desktop. I'll move it into my Adobe folder with the other apps, and that's how you do it.